we're gonna run our car over our Maggie hoop, and reliable these hoops are. Maggie hoops is a great option. Hey guys, so this is Heather from Psalms 91 Customs. When you start your embroidery journey, our hoops, they're expensive but necessary, especially as a new business owner, is to keep and cut your expenses as much as possible. And the one brand that I found that helps me to do that is SoTech Maggie hoops. So not only do they cut your time in half, your efficiency is going up, your speed, you're knocking out more garments within an hour, you're moving faster, you have a secure hooping that you know you can rely on. And that's important. We're gonna run our car over our Maggie hoop. I know, it sounds crazy, but I want to show you how strong and reliable these hoops are. Watch this. Crazy strong. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. I know. That was crazy. It was really crazy. I know. But the whole point is that much quality in it. Why not work with allows you to keep money in your pocket? Listen, I have the competitor. Very comparable. Great quality, but so are Maggie hoops. Comparing them to the original hoops that came with my embroidery machine cuts the time in half when it comes to hooping your garment. Quality, time saving, strong as just the other competitors, and allows you to keep money in your pocket. Maggie hoops is a great option. So this is Heather from Psalms 91 Customs signing off. Go with Maggie hoops.